What is going on, guys? MG205 here and welcome back to some more Mad Father. So last time we have the section of the ladder. So that means we can access the curiously ominous attic. Oh, there's a gem up there. Or something significant, I don't know. Yeah, there's a gem. Filled with junk. Filled with junk again. A giant barrel of rum. The house feels like it's gonna fall. It's gonna topple over any moment. Well, I guess nothing significant is in here for now. If you guys ever watched the Netflix version of A Series of Unfortunate Events, that is basically what it sounds like. The house is Aunt Josephine's house and it's just right on the cliff, and the wind is gonna topple the entire house over. Hey, crow friend. Looking at me? Oh, Snowball, you're safe. Snowball is relaxing. So what am I doing now? Should I traverse along the dungeon? So apparently what I've read is that there is a movable pot inside the attic. So the venture to the attic isn't totally futile, but then the health bar isn't popping up, so we cannot be harmed. Oh, this is the movable pot. And we get something significant. This is a mini chainsaw. Press the special key to equip the chainsaw. It can normally only be equipped in the basement. When equipped, press the confirm key to make Aya swing the chainsaw down. Certain objects, barrels, empty crates can be destroyed this way. It cannot be used to attack enemies. Oh, why? You armed yourself with a chainsaw, but you do not want to attack enemies? Well, of course. Probably if the cart is linked to the mom's, she wouldn't want to harm it. Be aware that you can open the menu or check the objects with the chainsaw out. Special key is shift and shift. Ah, how nostalgic. I remember father was scolding me for playing with this once. Oh, of course, because it's a sharp and used with cutting timber. And then backtracks to the memory. Aya, what are you doing swinging that thing around? Sorry. This is no toy. It is a very dangerous tool. Understood? Never play with anything like this again. Sorry, father. I'm glad you're not hurt. It is odd, though. I thought this would be somewhere that was out of your reach. Where on earth did you find this, Aya? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, father. So where did she find it in fact? So the special key is shift. Oh, arm yourself and unarm yourself with shift. Left shift or right shift, doesn't matter. And then space or enter to attack. I'm gonna use space because my hand is on the usual WASD configuration. And then it says I should probably save right now. It says that I should backtrack. What the hell did you see? It felt like someone grabbed my leg. No. I'm going to get dragged away. Another one? I'm pushing the Z key as fast as I can. There we go, I got away. So the tension music sounds like something from an underground racing game or some fighting games as opposed to somebody's perspective. I can't wait to see the waveform. Yeah, I see it. It's clipped. Backtrack to the open room. This is the hidden passage. Where is the open room? This is the passage. Oh, this is the open room. So, a dirty pot. So I cannot destroy the pots because they're made out of clay, but I can destroy the barrels. Nothing. Nothing. Aren't you gonna get wet from wine? Destroyed all of them. That's a wooden box, I can't destroy that. Oh, it reveals a door. Unarm yourself. This is poster guy shit over here. Who are you? The old man mumbled to himself. Curse that, doing every says, and so deceived as to true nature. Going to Creator. She's even crazier than the doctor. Well, whatever. What should I care, I suppose? So my hypothesis was correct. The mom was crazy. As supposed from the words of the old man. There's a gem. Leading to a better ending. Oh, these are arches, of course. The corridor. Is that Aya breathing or someone else breathing? Hey, Mr. Crow friend. Oh, is that the cycloptic guy? One open. The door is firmly shut. Locked from the inside. Can't see anything, so she's not cycloptic, she's blind. That man took away my eyes. Oh. Looking for eyes? Maybe. I have some eyes here. Are these yours? I don't think she can hear. So she's deaf as well. I need to go through the whole conversation again. She's suffering. We're in the store. A pile of wine casks. So those are literally used to store wine. So can I arm myself in here? No. Spilled wine bottles. So the mad father is mad because he's an alcoholic. A torn up mess. Ah, oh, for fuck's sake. Am I still recording? Yep, I'm still recording. Unlock the door. So where am I now? Oh! I'm back in the kitchen. Oh, so the storehouse is where we got the matches. Not the matches, the lighter fuel. So, and this is the way back to the labyrinth. So I need to somehow find a key and then give the little girl her eyes. That's not disturbing. A pile of sandbags. Taller than Aya. A great description. But why does a mansion have a labyrinth scale basement? Well, I guess now there are some oh no, wait. You can only arm yourself in the basement. So you can't arm. Oh, for fuck's sake! There's a draft through the hole. Yes, move the painting, please. Wow, she has a far reach. There's a hole in the bucket. Is this my backyard? Where all the memories took place? Got the gem. Stack of firewood. I can't tire myself here. The pond is full of water. The pond is full of water. Let's go. Got some water. Oh, I walk slower now. So, am I supposed to put out the fire? Put out the fire. Let's go. Looks like you can go into the fireplace. Okay, so this is Blank Dream all over again. You hear a girl weeping from the hole. Is that indeed? I've heard this crying. This hole goes to that place underground.
Huh?
If this goes into a room, I can give her these eyeballs. So what should I do now? Should I drop the eyeball bottle? There we go. So should I go back down to the underground labyrinth? But first, I need to get past these motherfuckers. Go in the cafeteria, that's easier. There are even more! There were 4 before. What? Get back out, get back out. The dog is gone. The cupboards are a mess. It's been completely devoured. A wagon for tableware. So let's go back down to the underground labyrinth, I suppose. Locked from the inside. I found my eyes! I can see. That doesn't work like that. See, I'm gonna get a little bit biological here, because if the eyes do, well, the retina is fine, but the optical fibers. But if the optical fibers do not connect to the eyeballs, in which I don't think they'll be connected again once they're cut out. If any situation deems it necessary, I don't think you can just see by putting your eyeballs back in your sockets. So, well, this is a paranormal game, so who am I to judge? Thank you. There's another gem. Is that just miscellaneous stuff? A door open. Is that the giant door over here? Yup. Pile of barrels. Slice them open! Slice them open! Where's Mr. Crow Friend? I need my crow friend. There's a wall over there I didn't notice. Huh? Huh? Didn't I just go down the stairs? Oh. It's the never-ending loop of stairs. Who the fuck are you? Are you keeping me from going ahead? I need to go through here to save my father. So please, let me through. What can I do to convince you? Huh? Oh. So she entered my party. Why are you following me? Do you want to go home? She seemingly nodded. Do you want to go out? I see. Come with me, I'll take you outside. Then let me through here, okay? Mr. Crow friend, let me save. Something major has happened here. Can't go this way. Well, why not ask the lady in the back to like console you? Huh? She's gone. Did she fall behind? Or did she jump off? Too dark to see. So that's not. Oh. If it's too dark, it might be a void. How did she get here? Huh? This is. Huh? Huh? These are that girl's clothes. What's going on? So I'm in control of this woman now. Father! Stay still, would you? Father? Now, shall we begin? What's Father doing? Let me have those beautiful hands. Stop, Father! It's me! I can't speak. Oh no. Mad Father. Jesus Christ, this is action movie music. Have I gone an episode without saying Jesus Christ? I bet not. She's covering her ears. I'm in control again, okay. Hey, Mr. Crow dude. The crow is my only friend in here. She died, not moving at all. She died. Does that mean her powers dissipate? Yeah, it means that her power has dissipated. Can I kill the crow? It'd be funny if I could. That means I have no save point. Ah, okay. What the hell? Is that Gandalf? An old man points, totally still. A pile of sandbags. The music is ominous, I like it. Although I hate it if I were to be in the scenario. Jeez, the door startled me. I saved and passed. So I think I'm gonna leave this episode off here. Because, well, things are getting more and more convoluted and intriguing. And this is the perfect place to end it off because it is a cliffhanger for basically all of us. So I'm gonna see you guys next time.